Hello friends and welcome back to the Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI GeForce RTX 5068 GB Cyclone OC graphics card. So friend, MSI has introduced the Cyclone card series. Is a multiple barebone, budget, mid-range and sub-flagship and ultra-premium graphics card design, and the MSI CYCLONE return with frosted snow camo design and that blend nostalgic charm with modern aesthetics and along with high efficiency cooling performance. In the brand GeForce RTX 5068 GB Cyclone OC SKU appear to be distinct from similarly proprieted demonstration unit at Computex. So friend, the single frame GeForce RTX 5068 GB INSPIRE ITX card design MSI updated Cyclone model feature on open plan layout according to official description. Thermal design concept mirror the power of cyclone storm and featuring advanced aluminium sunflower radiator, dense fin, and two high efficiently heat pipe that rapidly dissipate heat from the GPU and surrounding components. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.